Hello and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Pisces. I'm Julia Mikas.
And I'm Jamie Kale Miller. Well, happy birthday, Pisces. If this is your sun sign, and that's why you're watching this horoscope, Pisces Sun, if you haven't gotten your birthday reading yet this year, it's not too late to benefit from a thorough look at your solar return birthday chart, which tells you all about the year ahead and how to surf, not drown in the influences that are coming. It also comes with fantastic affirmations you can use all year to forward all your goals. And you'll find a link for that in the description below. Well, Pisces, let's start by talking about relationships, kind of a big topic this month as we watch the movement of Venus along your 12th house, where she absolutely loves to be. Venus in the 12th house is so soft and warm and inviting and really relates on a more spiritual and intuitive level. These are some of the reasons why Venus loves to be in the 12th house. She also really likes to spend cozy alone time with a partner. So you might find yourself wanting that kind of action during the first half of the month through about March 11th or so. And then Venus moves into the first house, which is arguably even better, especially because she'll be in your sign, Pisces, and she loves to be in that sign. So you're going to be pretty attractive, pretty charming, pretty relatable here for the whole rest of the month as Venus travels through your first house. And while on the one hand, you may find that you do have some boundary challenges, Pisces, just kind of in general, maybe a little bit, and Venus may not seem to help with that. One way that Venus can actually help with that is that Venus likes to see you relating with another person as separate individuals and doing some negotiating and finding where the lines are and figuring out how to be fair and balanced in your relationships. So Venus is going to be like your morning star guiding you to that kind of good relationship stuff this month. Hey, Julia, what's up in career and finance for the Pisces out there?
Well, Pisces, there's a lot of planetary activity happening in your first house this month. The sun is moving in here. We're having a new moon in this house too. Mars is coming in on the 22nd. So when a lot of planets move into our first house, this is a big, big time for self-promotion of any kind when it comes to career. You know, sun in the first can make you a little extra magnetic. Both the sun and Mars are both leadership-oriented planets. So if you need to be the leader in some way in your career, this transit and this month is going to be very conducive to that. And that Pisces new moon that's happening, that's going to give you just sort of a fresh start on your dreams because it's all this concentrated energy in the first house. It's going to be it's going to be an important cycle for your personal projects because the first house is you. It represents who you are and how you come across to other people. The ruler of your 10th house, being Jupiter, is moving really fast in the sky right now, and it is in your third house of learning and writing and editing. So if you have to get any writing done for your job, if you have to learn new things for your job, fabulous time for doing it. Now, when it comes to money, we have Mercury entering that second house of money on March 10th. And it's going to be in the second for the rest of the month after that. So Mercury is the planet that represents your mind. Wherever we have Mercury is where we tend to be preoccupied. So having Mercury in the second means you are thinking a lot about money, also possessions too, which are ruled by the second house. And it's a fabulous transit for planning, strategizing. Tax season is coming up. So maybe you're just having to get all of your finances in order, and that's kind of taking up your attention this month. So really, really good time to strategize about money. Mercury does rule buying and selling. So it could be a good month to either buy something new or maybe sell off something that you no longer need.
Hmm.
Well, that's all for today. If you had fun with this horoscope, then please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about us.
Find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with one of us, and find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.